She's still in my belly.
But why do you have a band-aid?
Yeah?
Why do you have a band-aid?
My nail.
What happened?
I took my nail off.
Did it hurt?
It did, yeah. There's no bow here.
Did bud?
No, it didn't bleed, no.
But why you have a band-aid?
These are all we have.
No, it's more.
There's no bows.
Mama, is it windy today?
Doesn't look like it.
What I eat? Sorry,
That's
I'm
okay.
gonna pick it up.
Yeah, pick it up later.
I want to wake up them now.
Sorry?
Before I send tea to myself.
Just say goodbye to them. Say, I'm going to school, guys. See you later. Okay? What's that, Daddy?
I want to see T-Rex now.
Alright, go. Just knock on their door and say, I'm going to school. See you later. And bring your socks when you come down, okay?
There's your sauce.
Thank you, Daddy. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. School na lang ulit si Ayla. Buntis pa din ako, guys. Akala ko kahapon na. Wala na. Araw-araw na lang natin yung sinasabi. But kahapon kasi kapag nagko-contract masakit dahil after sa membrane sweep. And then, I lost my mucus plug last night. After ko i-close yung vlog, pag toilet ko, nakita ko. I lost my mucus plug. So, that's a good sign. But then again, like, some pregnant women lose their mucus plug now and then next week pa sila nanganganak. Alam mo yun? So, iba-iba talaga kasi. Sabi ni Dan kasi bukas daw, Thursday, yung feeling niya. But, then again, iba-iba naman yung feeling niya. Nag-laundry na naman kagabi, sabi ko sa inyo. Kasi pag nagko-contract siya, sumasakit. So, kumakain kami nung nag-contract, hinawakan ko yung ano niya, legs niya, yung thigh niya. Sabi niya, okay ka lang? Sabi ko, nagko-contract ako, masakit na yung contractions. Pero hindi siya close together. So, wala pa din. Nag-laundry. Gabi na nag-laundry. Nag-dryer pa ng gabi. Alam niyo yan, ayaw niya nag-laundry. Oo ng mga kung ano-ano sa gabi. Kasi hindi nagagamit yung solar. Pero kagabi nag-laundry. Meron na naman akong tupiin sa taas. Ngayon sana yung laundry day ko. Sabi ko, wag, maghintay ka. Hindi pa kasi yan. Wala talaga. Hindi na kayo nag-laundry talaga. So, may tutupiin tayo mamaya. Diba? Hindi talaga nagpatalo sa ila. Umakyat talaga. Nag-goodbye talaga siya sa mga tita niya. Uh-oh. You okay? Come here. Come to mama. You okay? What happened? Run. Sus, buyag. Isa naman na episode. Ako? Kung ano man siguro ko to? 6? 6? Ikaw? Punta na ako after sa ad. Murag 6 na to. So, uploaded na tanan. Uploaded na tanan. 6 or 7? No, di kay bago pa di ka sa nikuha. 8 na po eh. 8 na ka? Wala pa. Ato sa silingan ka. Pagkila na ang silingan dahil. Wa siguro sila gawas-gawas eh.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. T-Rex? Tapos kami na.
Cute pa. Yung kita nga ng T-Rex.
The dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Let's zoom in T-Rex.
Zombie.
Oh, T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Yeah. Do you want to see your face?
Pete.
Is that?
It's an owl.
It's Aloe. Is that Alo?
Where's the T-Rex? Where's the T-Rex?
You wanna see T-Rex?
Ano yung tigay? Weed yung tiyoy.
Wait na?
Walang weed na sa ulo
A T-Rex.
Hello, hapon na guys. Mamaya darating sina Sharon and Pete kasi sila nga yung sumusundo kay Ayla, diba? And every Wednesday, dito na sila kumakain. Nagdadala ng pagkain si Sharon. So, wala akong kailangan gawin today or wala naman talaga akong ginagawa kasi nandito din yung dalawa. But, umalis si Miss at saka si Michelle bumili ng chicken. Kasi si Sharon daw magro-roast pork. So, sabi ni Michelle, mag-chicken din ako. Yung masarap na ano niya, yung buong chicken. So, that's what we will have for Din Din. So, it has been more than 24 hours since my membrane sweep. And sa mga napanood ko, membrane sweep helped them like go into labor right away. Like yung iba, few hours lang after the membrane sweep, nag-labor na agad, nanganak na agad. Tapos yung iba naman, 24 hours, 48 hours. Pero may iba din na nakadalawang membrane sweep na, hindi pa din nanganganak, nag-overdue na. So, it really depends. Iba-iba. And lahat yun normal kasi end up din naman, nanganak din naman sila and okay naman sila. So, ako yung lumagpas na sa 24 hours and wala pa din. Well, the progress was, last night nga, I lost my mucus plug. Mas prefer ko sana na mag-natural labor ako kaysa sa i-induce ako. But then again, yung induction ko is hindi naman yung like induction na yun nga may balloon catheter. Ibi-break lang yung aking water, which happened with my, hindi naman ako in-induce with my 2 previous ones, but na-break yung water ko nung nandun na ako sa hospital. Hindi siya na-break in advance. So, ngayon parang iniisip ko, mag-break lang yung water ko, okay na ako kasi para pumunta na ako ng hospital. Alam mo yun? Gusto ko ng manganak. Okay lang, be, kung hindi mo pa gustong lumabas, okay lang, dyan ka muna. Diba? Kanina naglalakad-lakad ako, curbside walking ako dyan. And yeah, nagko-contract siya, pero hindi kasing sakit nung kahapon. Ang sakit talaga nung kahapon eh. Yung contractions kahapon, masakit talaga siya. Ito nagko-contract pero hindi consistent. Like, nakailang beses na contract lang ako ngayong araw tapos hindi pa ganun kasakit. So, tapos yung alis ng dalawa sa Friday, so sabi ko, sana man lang lumabas ka before Friday para makita ka nila na sobrang liit mo pa. Like, ang saya kaya makita yung newborn pa. Kaya lang, they need to leave Friday morning, guys. So, hindi ko alam. Baka hindi nila ito makita ng batang to. Tapos, speaking of mucus plug din, kahit na nawala na yung mucus plug ng iba, iba-iba din kasi, like, sometimes you lose your mucus plug now and then you go into labor 24, 48 hours later. Pero some pregnant woman naman na wala yung mucus plug nila at like early during pregnancy or like hindi siya nawala ng isahan, ano siya pa, dahan-dahan siyang nawala. So, as in, ibang-iba talaga. Ang daming ibang-ibang nangyayari sa mga buntis. So, hindi talaga natin masasabi. Like, some pregnant woman will lose their mucus plug now and then go into labor right away. Like, I think I remember with, I don't know, with Arlo, I don't think I lost my mucus plug sa bahay. I think na wala na siya nung nag-labor na ako sa hospital. And sila din yung nag-break ng water ko sa hospital mismo because I was already dilated tapos hindi pa nagbe-break yung water ko. So, as independent lang talaga siya. But, as long as the baby's safe inside, that's all that matters, right? As long as safe siya, okay lang. But we are currently 40 weeks and 2 days pregnant now. So, 2 days overdue na tayo, eh. Tapos, magsa-school holiday na kasi Friday na yung last day ng school ni Ayla. Tapos, school holiday na for 2 weeks. Okay lang din kasi school holiday meaning nandito si Ayla, well, nandito si baby. Kapag umabot ako sa induction ng Sunday, speaking of induction, I haven't heard from them. Kasi sinubmit ng midwife ko kahapon yung yung form na nag-sign ako na okay ako i-induce sa Sunday, but depende daw kasi din sa schedule nila. So wala pa akong confirmation kung Sunday ba talaga yung schedule ko. So yung ginawa is Sunday talaga yung schedule ko yung induction. If hindi available yung Sunday, itatry niya yung Friday. Friday before. So ngayong Friday. Kasi feeling ko parang confident siya na magle-labor ako before Friday. Kasi sabi niya nung una dapat 7 days after pero yung mga induction dates ko is mga hindi umabot ng 7 days. Like kahit Sunday, ano lang ako nun. 40 days and 6 days or 40 days and 5 days, di ba? Basta below siya. Lalo na kapag Friday, 40 days and ano lang ako nun. 3. Why?
No, 6:30 to 6.
6:30. Whenever your food is ready. You got a big pork there.
Actually, that's smaller than what I had at home. I had a bigger one at home.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the one on the
Lucky you brought the smaller one.
I wanted to cook that a couple of times.
Because look at the chicken. Meron kaming dalawang chicken. Kami na talaga.
You guys have got food tomorrow.
Fiesta. Oh, yeah.
You got food tomorrow.
Yeah.
Throw it away. Hey?
If Dan doesn't throw the leftovers.
Dad will eat it. He will eat it.
What are you looking for?
Towel? Here.
No, he's just look at that.
Tingnan niyo to siya.
I live
Nagdala
by
siya ng
the-
pork.
I live by these.
We love our door.
Hey?
We love our door like at home anymore.
Yeah. Dahil ang dami naming pagkain, nag-invite pa si Dan ng maraming tao.
Someone make a
So, pupunta yung kambal niya, guys.
four.
And the fan.
For what? Here.
So, ang dami na natin. Nagdagdag na ng mga veggies. Yung dalawa ay sa kanilang mga pinagluluto. Magsasalad na kami kasi baka kulangan.
Where's the oil? You know, she's having a lot of this bread. She didn't eat lunch, but she's really having into the bread.
She likes the bread.
I love. Do you want oranges? Put some in there.
Yeah. That looks good though. Hey, hello. Cousins are coming.
He wants sleeping boy.
What do what?
No, I'll do it. It's okay. It's just slicing.
Better to cut in half.
Yeah.
And do it that way, okay? We're gonna. It's supposed to be relaxing. You're gonna have your hands full. It's enough. Then you go nuts.
Don't sleep, Alo.
Hello, do you want bread?
Oh, sorry, darling.
Do you want bread, boy?
Actually, we'll be alright. The kids can sit in the small table. You only got 4 kids.
Can I borrow this? I know it's kids. Can I borrow this?
Yeah, of course. I've got more.
You know, no, I've got enough gravy.
Do you have enough?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just don't make it that I make it clumpy, you know, like from the.
I love
when you get to it.
Lemon
Hello.
Yeah, it becomes clumpy, doesn't it? Guys?
I'll just finish the whole cucumber. Is that okay?
Yeah, whatever works for both.
Yeah.
Do half of that, I reckon.
Half of this or whole?
Oh, do it well because you can't eat afterwards anyway. You can't eat it. It's
Yeah.
only going to waste, isn't it? Unless the girls have it tomorrow.
I'll finish it all. It's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I big knife there?
Yeah, can you take it off her?
Big knife.
Yeah, this one. Right, she's taking it off here. I don't want you.
Ako tabi.
Okay, okay.
Sure ka?
Yeah.
You want bread? Okay, come on.
Oh, bread. Okay, yay. Go eat. So you don't sleep.
Throw Jerry. There.
Oh, yeah. You want bread, boy? Good boy.
Nasama na there. Nabali yung pupo.
No, bye. Natingin sa glue. Di naman ko katao ng kuko kay ang glue madiretso sa skin. May pagkahapdos. Da, tuga-tuga may pagwa na kong itangtang. Mahay-mahay na naman. Napay duhang awa na tangtang. Di matangtang man kay bago pa lagi gibutang pagka.
I'm looking like that. They don't say yung broken nail.
Hintayin na lang natin yung lettuce. Ano pa, umalis si Dan para bumili ng drinks at saka lettuce. Kasi ang vlog, miss.
Okay. Move that.
Yeah,
Move that plastic away.
Oh, that looks good.
Just let it rest.
Oh, it's one side has the crackle, the other side is very it's using skincare. Look at how No, the skin. Look at the skin. Very shiny. It's got Korean glass skin, see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the crackle is on that side.
Would we take the crackle off and do it that way?
No, we
No,
we
that's
put
alright.
it just like for a very quick one.
That looks really nice and juicy.
I'll grab
Might
the other
dry.
one, Nick.
Ah, so the other way now.
I'll grab the other one.
And you'll go here.
Wait.
Skincare with you.
It's poreless.
Hey?
It's got really good skincare routine here.
Wait.
What? Your chicken is finished, Michelle, is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, you want to put on that?
So was it cooked or
Yeah.
you just want the crackle?
Mm.
Just want the crackle on one side.
Naladay, ang daming titikim ng iyong chicken. Nag-invite pa ng more pa.
Dami ng food kasi.
Yeah.
That's good. So at least we're not wasting it.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay. Yummy. Ay. Ito yung apakasarap ng chicken ni Michelle. Oh.
Juicy. It's juicy.
Yeah, the sauce. Dito na sila, guys. Tingnan natin yung car ni Kambal kasi dumating na din. Same kami ng car. Iba lang yung kulay.
Look at all. Look at all. Like the dog.
Have you watched this before?
Hi. Where's your car? It's there. Oh, it's next to your.
The black one.
Ah, okay. Oh yeah,
I'll show you,
nice. Oh yeah, it's really nice.
Ah, that looks good.
We just got it cleaned, like it was just.
Oh, I love it.
It's just because it got like cleaned and ceramic coated yesterday. Otherwise, the day before that, it was like covered in dirt. Yeah, they did like interior protection and outside
Okay.
protection and stuff.
Ah,
Yeah.
that looks nice.
Have you seen like when you indicate, like one guy goes
Yeah.
yellow?
Yeah.
You guys, you can.
It looks good.
You found it
Are you just gonna serve it on that one?
very white, but.
And there's more coming. We got veggies. There, we can squeeze there. It is a piece. Look at that.
Oh yeah, no more.
Wow. Thank you, Inday. Thanks, Sharon.
Merry Christmas.
So right, you can sit down somewhere.
Right.
Yeah, no one's going to eat yet.
Where do you want to sit?
You can sit next to Iva if you want. Yeah? Yeah, you can sit next to Pia. Yes. Or you can sit near Pia. Eli sitting next to
One drag like that.
Hello, it's yours.
Why don't you serve the kids and then we sit down?
Ah, you sit down.
Do you want some of this drink or do you just want it?
Yummy.
Here, you want spoon there?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Good chicken.
So Michelle made the chicken. Yeah.
Shaz made the rest.
Who's that? Where?
What?
Who lost it though?
Oh, all these tomatoes people too old.
Who else?
Yeah, 200 people.
I'll sit here next to
200 people.
Or you will sit next to What do you reckon? I can sit next to Some chicken?
We've got gravy there as well, so we don't have a lot of gravy.
Okay.
Do you want some bread?
Oh yeah. Do we have enough chicken?
Yeah. I was
Leftovers, like satay chicken.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Is the teeth clean? Let me see teeth. Let me see. Clean? Good boy. All right, go to bed. Go to bed. Say good night, guys.
Good night, Dad. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night, guys.
Sorry, Ayla.